Hello, USC Aiken. My name is Jeremiah Brazel, and I am one of your media resource consultants here on campus. In this video, I'm going to go over the new and improved classroom of BNE 236 and the features that the room now has to offer to make your teaching experience as seamless and as engaging as possible. Now, with all that being said, let's get started. To get started, tap the screen of the touch panel. Once you do, you'll see this notification here, signaling that everything is now starting up. To confirm this, look behind you and see if the TV display has powered on. Now that everything is powered on, the touch panel should be on the screen right here. The left side controls all things visual, while the right side controls all things audio, excluding the camera, but we'll get to that soon. But first, let's go over the left side. On the top option is Room PC. This here will be your default option where the display will show the podium computer. Below that is Guest HDMI. If you brought your own laptop, you can connect to it to the provided HDMI right here. And then select the Guest HDMI option, and now your laptop is now shown on the display. You can interchange between the two sources even if your laptop is connected. And finally is the last option, Blank Source. This will black out the TV display once you tap it. To disable it, just press the source you want to go back to. Next, we'll be going over the right side of the tablet, which again covers all things audio. From here, you can see that you can make adjustments to both the mic and room audio. Now, while you're at the podium, you might be asking yourself, where are the speakers? No worries. If you look up in the middle of the classroom, you'll see that there's 6 speakers connected to the ceiling, along with a microphone right in the middle. And yeah, I know the microphone looks like a speaker, but just take my word for it. It's a microphone. And don't worry, there's a method to the madness. This is so all of your students can have a balanced audio experience, whether they're sitting in the front or all the way to the back. By tapping on the icons, you can mute and unmute the microphone and or the speaker. And next, to adjust the audio levels, tap the arrow keys to increase or decrease the volume. And disclaimer, in regard to the microphone level, we recommend you go no higher than this level right here, or else you most likely receive feedback. Now, if you want to use your laptop to connect to the speaker, by plugging in the provided HDMI to your laptop, you're already connected to the audio equipment. Once you do, go into your audio settings on your laptop, click this output right here, and you'll be good to go. Finally, the last feature that we're going to go over is the camera, which you'll notice that there's 2, one in the front and one in the back. The camera in the front is a student camera, and the camera in the back is for the instructor. Whether you're hosting a virtual classroom, a Teams meeting, or even a Zoom call, you can use this camera for whatever needs you may have. Once you click on camera, you can see that you have full control to make adjustments to any way you need it to be. Whether that be panning the camera left, right, or up or down, or just zooming in or zooming out. To connect the camera to your laptop, just plug in this Type-C cord, which is right next to the HDMI. Finally, if the camera is ever giving you problems and you want things to go back to how it was previously, just press preset 1 and the camera will go back to the default position. Now that pretty much covers everything that this classroom has to offer. Now once you're done using the room and want to power everything off, just press the red button here, room off, and everything will turn off automatically. And there you go, now you know how to use room 236. But of course, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to any of us at Multimedia Services. We're here to help you and make sure that this is easy and seamless as possible. Now with that being said, happy teaching.